happy holidays, at least the season. And I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And we're off to do some baking with my sister. We're going to do some cookies and maybe some candies and bark. So this is a very fun tradition that I am so pleased that I can once again have fun with my sister. We have a dusting of snow and it's pretty chilly this morning. It's still November. We're just at the end of November and I think it looks beautiful. I love snow. Day 2 of cookie baking with my sister, and it's a bit snowier today than it was yesterday and overcast. The snow came during the night. I think we had maybe a half an inch. It's not very much, but yesterday my sister's road was pretty slippery, so I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. Well, here we are, day 2, Christmas cookie baking with my sister. And let me turn the camera around so you can see the roads that she lives in on this subdivision. It's pretty windy, but right here you can see it's just a sheet of ice. And that's because of the park, and the wind blows across the lake and creates that lake effect. Not bad. Can only drive 25 miles an hour, so. So this is toffee, chocolate covered toffee?
No, it's cookie, it's chocolate covered, it's almond, chocolate almond brittle.
Chocolate almond brittle. That's just one of 6 that we started yesterday.
And there's Mary making the cream cheese kolache.
Oh, what a tedious work. There's my sister making these most difficult little
Golden cups.
golden cups. This is what they end up looking like. Of course, I like mine with a dollop of whipped cream on it. Well, here's a sampling of the 2 days that my sister and I spent cookie baking. Yum, yum.